Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for a YSUS board EBR73712701 belonging to Albert Gardinas. Apologies if I don't pronounce that right. That was repaired and sent back on the 15th of April 2002, and the customer complained that the TV developed horizontal bar lines. He sent us a picture of how they looked and said that after that it shut up. They assumed that the board has failed. The picture, when we saw it, made it pretty apparent that the problem was in the ICs of the buffer boards, but it was entirely possible that when they failed, they also overloaded and failed the YSUS board. So we told the customer to send it back, which they did. But the board worked out of the box. There was nothing wrong with it. And they requested that we make a video. This is a video. Hold on a second. There was nothing connected to the IC. Let me find menu. There you go. There is nothing connected to the HDMI port that we usually do. And so I can only show that the menu is coming up. But that should be quite enough to prove that the board is working fine. I think their name here should be unique enough prove that this is the same board and this is our label, and this is probably their signature or something else, as long as it's unique enough. As you can see, the board is working, and that's all that we need to know. We're sending it back. Thank you very much.